of all, I would like to thank Goa Shipyard Limited for agreeing to repair these toilets under CSR. And I want to recollect that it was Goa Shipyard itself that had given these toilets for the municipal workers in this particular area, which over a period of time got deteriorated. Some of the essential things were missing, and at our request, at my request, they agreed to repair these toilets. In the first phase now, they are doing repairs almost worth 12 lakhs, and thereafter I think another 20 lakhs or something they will be spending, which shows their commitment to society, which shows their commitment for the poor. And these are all the municipal workers who basically reside here. So it is a good initiative taken by them. It's not only repairing the toilets or building the toilets. I want to thank them for various other amenities required for the public as such, that they have always been in the forefront, helping us, whether it is for our WOW plant, some of the equipment which is the wealth out of waste plant which is there, the joggers park. Whenever we have asked for certain particular things, they have never hesitated to help us. So I would like to thank the Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Brijesh Upadhyay, as well as Mr. Kamble and Mr. Ajit, who have always agreed to do this work. At the same time, I want to say that as far as Dabolim is concerned, we are always first in development. Ami kenna fati unna.